So with recent developments in AI technology, starting and scaling a business has never been easier. In this video, I'm going to break down how ChatGPT is going to automatically run my social media marketing agency and how you can do the same exact thing. It's literally going to free up 10 to 20 hours per week, and I'm never going to have to hire a contractor or a copywriter ever again. The technology is absolutely insane, and I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's get right into the video. So if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, this is the user interface. Pretty much, you can ask it any question, you can ask it to write anything for you, and it will write a really well optimized and well scraped kind of form of copy based on whatever you ask it. So I'm going to talk about some different ways that I'm going to use it for my social media marketing agency and how you can too. The first, I'm going to break this down into 5 different segments. The first is writing a blog post that is SEO optimized so you can get organic traffic to your website. So I said write a 500-word SEO optimized informative article about trends in e-commerce in 2023. Very, very specific, right? Well, ChatGPT is about to spit out exactly what I asked it to do. Now, the cool thing while it's writing this, the cool thing that I've learned so far, and I've tested this for multiple people on multiple different topics, is that it's never for me once spit out the same thing twice. So if you were to take this article that it's writing right now and plug it into Google, you're not going to find this article. You're not even going to find any kind of things that are together in Google. So you don't have to worry about plagiarism. You don't have to worry about anything like that, because this is something I'm literally just going to copy and paste into my website. I want to make sure that everything is, accurate first and foremost. But this is a very good start in terms of SEO articles. And with a tool like this, why wouldn't you be posting an article every single day? I mean, there's absolutely no excuse for something that's, just writing this for you. So it just finished up. Feel free to pause and kind of read this thing. So we talked about SEO. What's next? Well, for a social media marketing agency, you're going to need social media posts. You're going to need captions. Easy. So let's say my client is in the health industry, more specifically a water bottle brand. I use that example a lot on my channel because I have a water bottle brand that I do like social media stuff for. So in the search box, I said, write 5 social media posts for a health/fitness water bottle brand. And we're just going to see what it spits out. So there it is. It just spit out 5 really good social media captions. It feels like cheating almost, but it's not. I mean, everybody who's ahead of a new tool like this succeeds, and everybody who just thinks it's, a detriment to society is not going to succeed in the long run. Use this to your advantage and focus on the work that you really need to get done, and let ChatGPT use it for the rest. It's even as specific as this. If one of these didn't look right, let's say rewrite number 4, it's going to take number 4 and the information it gathered for it and just rewrite it into a whole nother caption. So just like that, spits out another one. And I hope you're realizing as you're watching this video how much of an asset this can be to your business. So we're going to keep going. We're going to keep doing some different things that even I offer in my agency. So we're going to get really specific for a second. So I just told it to write a 4-step email marketing sequence for an e-commerce t-shirt brand launching a new line, which is pretty specific, but it's going to do that for us. Now, obviously, this is not going to be a copy and paste, especially when you're dealing with specific brands. You're going to need to mix and match some things and make sure that it follows your brand guidelines, make sure that it looks like something that the brand would put out. But nonetheless, this is an insanely good outline that you could just reword a couple things and launch it. So, and here it is, pretty much just spit out a top of the line 4-step email marketing sequence that would have taken me hours to think of, let alone implement. And you're going to still need to do the aesthetic part of it. You're going to need to design the email, create the customer journey, and create the different assets behind it. But this is the majority of the work. The majority of the work is the content within the email, and it just spit out exactly, a guideline that you should follow. So we've talked about SEO articles, social media management, email marketing, 3 pretty big pillars within marketing agencies nowadays. What is left? A lot of you guys are asking about ads. So we'll say, write a friendly and informative ad with a 10% promo for a t-shirt brand. And we'll just stick with that t-shirt brand and we'll see what it puts out. So this is a very good ad. I'd probably shrink it just a little bit. You can even say, make this shorter, and it will. But for, from someone who runs ads for multiple e-commerce businesses and has to do this stuff on the daily, there you go. To just put out a shorter ad. This is a very good outline. Like I said, it even gives you a code to use to plug into somebody's website. So, okay, so now it's covered the main bases of a marketing agency. Like I said, it's freeing up a lot of time for me at the moment, and it will for you too. So we've covered SEO, social media, email marketing, and now ads. So what is there left? What is there left to do? The only thing now left for you to do is create content, because it's handling all the other pillars of your agency, freeing up so much time what better to do than to create content telling other people what you've done right? So let's say you use ChatGPT to run your business for you, and you've already freed up a week's worth of time. It's time to make a reel, a short, a TikTok, a YouTube video about anything that you're wanting to put out there. So let's say you're in the making money niche on TikTok. I just put in here, write a 100-word TikTok about how to make money online, and we're going to see what it spits out. It says, hey, TikTok fam, are you looking for ways to make money online? I got you covered. One way is to start a blog, monetize it with affiliate marketing. You guys can read it. This is just absolutely insane. It's just spitting out a script that you can literally copy and paste into your TikTok and just read from this. And it's probably going to get a lot of views because this scrapes the internet from billions of sources to put in the best information it possibly can, that you can provide the information to the people that are following you. My whole point in making this video is that this kind of software is just being rolled out and it's already this good. It's only going to get better. And if you're not using it to your advantage as soon as possible, you're going to miss out on the people that are using it to their advantage, that are going to get ahead of you by using software like this. Look, like I said, this software is only going to get better and better, but it's best to get on a trend before it gets too popular. That's what the most successful people are, and that's where they are outside of a trend. After this is totally saturated, you're going to be the one on the back end that's going to be thankful that you used this in the first place, as opposed to using it when everybody else is already using it. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be covering more stuff on ChatGPT and how it can be a benefit to you and make you more money per month. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.